Eric the TGS Guru here, and today we're going to be talking about intellectual property. Intellectual property is a commonly misunderstood issue. Intellectual property refers to non-physical creations, such as stories, music, works of art, and computer software. Copyright laws. Copyright laws provide protection against use of this intellectual property by unauthorized users. Copyright is automatically obtained by the author of a work when it is created. There is no registration or application process involved. Free licenses. With some content, authors choose to license their work freely, especially for non-commercial use. The Creative Commons license gives creators a standard way to do this while insisting on certain conditions, such as requiring an attribution, requiring that any changes to the work are also made available for free, or requiring that the work is not used for commercial purposes. If you're looking to download some software, don't immediately turn away from free license software. A lot of times free license software is very reliable and very good and well kept up and updated. Some more free licenses would be the GNU Free Documentation License, or the GFDL. This is a similar license, although it allows no restriction on the use of work. Such works are sometimes said to be copyleft, to indicate that they can be freely used, in contrast to restricted copyrighted works. Sites like Wikimedia offer repositories of freely usable work, while other sites and search engines can often be configured to only return freely licensed work. Some licenses, such as a Creative Commons attribute, CC-BY license, require you to credit the author of the work when you use it. Even if a work's license does not require this, it is a good practice to do so. Crediting work helps the reader or viewer understand the context of the work, shows that you have done research, and protects you against accusations of plagiarism or academic malpractice by apparently claiming other people's work as your own. Warning: it is a mistake to believe that all materials found on the internet are free to use. In fact, a large amount of it is copyrighted. Websites usually contain copyright notices which tell you how you can or can't use their material. If none exists after searching for them, assume that the material is copyrighted. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property, or IP, refers to the creation of mind, inventions, literary, and artistic works, and symbols, names, images, and designs used in commerce. That is a technical definition of it. Categories of intellectual property include: IP is divided into two categories, one of which is patents, or trademarks, industrial designs, and geographic indications of source. Also, there is copyright, which includes literary and artistic works such as novels, poems, and plays, films, musical works, artistic works such as drawings, paintings, photographs, and sculptures, and architectural designs. Rights related to copyright include those of performing artists in their performances, producers of phonograms in their recordings, and those of broadcasters in their radio and television programs. Why should I care? Basically, intellectual property laws give people the right to own and profit from their artistic, scientific, and technological creations for a designated period of time. Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution states, Congress shall have the power to promote the progress of science and useful arts by securing for limited times to authors and inventors the exclusive rights to their respective writings and discoveries. Thanks to this section, your intellectual property is protected by the Constitution. Here's another website that is very useful, contains an enormous amount of information pertaining to copyright laws, and if you ever have a question or a concern about the legality of copyrights, if you get in trouble, if you want to make sure you're not doing something wrong, check out this website, and I'm sure you'll be able to find something about it. And here is a bibliography of many useful sources pertaining to copyright laws. here at ITGS Guru, we close with, stay nerdy, my friends.